Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to log out of your character AI account. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your character AI. Then after, over here at the top right corner, you can see your profile icon in the chats. Tap on it. Here you can see the wheel icon on your top right corner, settings icon. Tap on it. Over here you can see your username displays. Now you can go scroll little down. Over there you can see the option of sign out. Tap on it. There you go, you have signed out of your character AI app. And thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.